Hello, English learners. I am so excited that you are here. We are continuing today exploring grammar with quick and clear explanations. We're focusing today on a conditional tense, the first conditional. But we are not here to just memorize grammar rules. Go Natural English is not about memorizing rules. It's about using the rules to build a strong base to help you to speak English with confidence and fluency. So, as I mentioned, today we're going to talk about how and when to use the first conditional tense. We're going to make it simple and easy. So, this lesson is sponsored by the complete Go Natural English course, Fluent Communication. It contains over 250 premium video recorded lessons that you cannot find anywhere else, as well as our community for practice and live online practice sessions with Go Natural English teachers. So it is the best way to get feedback and corrections on your English. So if you would like to take your English to the next level, then learn more about the complete Go Natural English course at gonaturalenglish.com/course. COURSE. Okay, let's dive into the first conditional. The first thing that I want to say is that we often use this when we're talking about plans. For example, do you want to come to my party? I'm not sure. If it rains, I won't come. If it doesn't rain, I'll come. This is an example of the first conditional. So we often use this when we're responding about invitations or making plans that might change based on something else. We make the first conditional with if it rains, then the subject, in this case it, then the simple present, in this case rains, and then with another subject, and the future tense. So, quick, important note here. Most books, websites, teachers do not tell you about another way that native speakers often form the first conditional. And that is that we use will to talk about the future, and we also use going to talk about the future. So, for example, I might say, if it doesn't rain, I am going to go to your party. Or if it doesn't rain, I will go to your party. Or I'll go to your party, right? Because we often use contractions when we're speaking naturally. Speaking of which, no native speaker is going to say, I am going to go to your party. I'm sure that was painful to listen to because you probably know that native speakers link sounds together between words and it sounds more like I'm gonna go to your party. So let's see a few other examples because I love sharing examples. They help us to clearly understand how to use the grammar. For example, if traffic is bad, you'll be late. Or if it's really loud outside, I won't be able to record this lesson. Or if you subscribe to Go Natural English on YouTube and subscribe to the Go Natural English podcast, you will be much better at English very soon. I think that's a pretty good example. Okay, let's talk about how the first conditional is different from the zero conditional, because in the last English tip that I shared with you, we talked about the zero conditional. So just to quickly recap that, we saw that the zero conditional was for facts, right? And we use the simple present for both parts of the sentence. If you want to know more about the zero conditional, you can look back at that lesson. So the first conditional is about specific situations, and we use the future tense. So it's about possibilities, things that might or might not happen. It's about possibilities. If this happens now, then that will happen in the future or won't happen. So I hope this helps you with the first conditional. In the next grammar-focused English tip, because this month is a grammar palooza here at Go Natural English, we're going to look at the second conditional, which is more about expressing your doubts. So it'll be interesting to see how to do that. I'll talk more about that the next time. Again, if you would like to practice your English, if you would like to learn more English, then learn more about the complete Go Natural English course at gonaturalenglish.com/course, COURSE. Thank you so much for watching. Click right down there to subscribe so you don't miss another grammar tip this month. You can click right down there to get a free sample of the audio ebook, The English Fluency Formula. You are awesome. You're doing a great job with your English, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.